teach you how to solve a Rubik's cube. It's like this, and I'm going to try to solve this one. I'm going to start from the beginning, and for the first step you need to make I'm making a blue color, single color, not full color. First step, we need to take one yellow center. Then we need to take all blacks and make like this. So once you made it, I will do it. We have one, and here and here and here. You have to do it. I will show you now. See, you have like this. You are going to turn this, and you are going to come this center. Then you have like this. Then you have to do like this. So this will go. So then you take this down. Then you are going to bring it wapas. Then it's like this. And we have here, and the last one is remaining. Now for the last one we are going to do like this and miss this and do like this. Now we have like this. We are going to do like this. Then now it's a little bit important, this one. We are going to do like this, and we have a center. So if you could do like this, this is simple. This is not worry if you have a two colors. So do like this. Open it and try to do that, and try to do this. So now yes, like this. So now this became now like this, but if you don't need this, do like this. Then I'm starting to make it. You have a blue here. You are going to shuffle it. If you have like this, if your blue part is here, and you can't do because this is at center, so it will come at same part. Then we are going to do like this. Then do like this. We have like this, but this will go off. See, the yellow will, orange will come. Then it should not support. We are going to do like this. Then we are going to take orange will come. Again do like this. So this will be like this. Now you can't do like this because it will come like that. But there is one technique. If you have like this, it will do it using two joints. So you can't do it. Do like this. So it will be 3. Now see, if you do like this, it will come. So just fold it to like this, and it's off. It's like this. Now you should do like this. So we are going to do like this. Take this part, do like this. Now for the center part, then you have to find blue. My blue is here. So now is we are going to do like this, but you can't. You have to start from here. Now we are going to do like this. Do like this. So now you have like this. Once you did like this, now the last one is remaining. Now we have this part. So when you are doing like this, this will overtake this. It will come here. So to make that not to overtake, or if you can't do that problem, we are going to do like this. So this will make you too easy to do this. And we have a remaining one. like this, and see. And here is your this one. We are going to do like this. So you have to fold it like this, and do like this. Then we are going to jumble this. So we can't do it. This will go off like this. So we are going to bring it to this again, this part which you did like that. Then we have like this. So we are going to do like this, do like this, do like this. So one last is remaining. Do like this. But I do like this. But when I'm doing like this, this will go. So you have to bring this again. Then do like this. So this is one color. So now I'm trying to do two colors and to do full color. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe and like my channel and comment below. Bye bye.